Hi, this is Daniel again. Would you like an Excel spreadsheet to display a greeting message whenever this Excel spreadsheet is opened? That's achievable with VBA Code. Let's do it. So we have a step-by-step guidelines to share with you in the description. So the very first thing is to open up an Excel spreadsheet. Once you open it, you can press Alt plus function 11 key from the keyboard. This will open up our VBA Code editor. So from the VBA Code in the left pane, you can see we have this workbook under the VBA project. Let's double click it. They open up the VBA work code. So in there, we're going to write this code, private sub workbook underscore open bracket and close it, enter. We have message box. This is a message box that we want to display when the Excel spreadsheet is opened. So let's assume this is the message that we want it to be displayed to GG Info Tech Academy. All right, close the quotation, enter. That's done. So this is a single line of code that you need in order the message to be displayed. So the next step is just to save the workbook. Let's save it. When we save it, make sure you save the workbook as macro enabled. So here, as a save as type, open it from the list. We have Excel macro enabled workbook. Let's save it on the desktop somewhere on the folder. So this is VBA code display message in Excel spreadsheet. Let's save it. So now the Excel spreadsheet is saved. We have coded our VBA line of statement here. Let's close it and check if the VBA can be run on successful whenever that Excel spreadsheet is opened. Okay, let's close it. Let's go to the folder. Here is the VBA code. Let's double click and run it. Here we go. The VBA code is successfully run so that the Excel spreadsheet displayed the message for me. That's all I have for today. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.